We planted this. It's so big. Oh, another plant. Awesome.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Oh, nice. This is a strawberry guava. This is a strawberry guava. A strawberry guava is a large shrub or a small tree that is native to South America and loves a warm climate. It is disease resistant, drought tolerant, loves full sun, and the fruit tastes so delicious. The fruit of the strawberry guava is rich in vitamin C. It has a white, sweet flesh or tart like a passion fruit, but when super ripe, it tastes like a strawberry. The fruit of a strawberry guava is rich in vitamin C, and it has a white, sweet flesh. Or it's like a sweet tart like a passion fruit, but when super ripe, it has a strawberry guava flavor. This plant is excellent for container gardening. It produces red and dark fruit. Its leaves are shiny. It's self-fertile but can be very invasive in some locations. To loosen the plant from the pot, I usually top it at the side and at the bottom. Water and mulch it. And there you have it, our strawberry guava tree.